Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this brand new Volkswagen vehicle. The Polo R-Line 1.0 TSI 110 PS comes available at Oldham Volkswagen in a vibrant violet metallic finish and it looks remarkable. This car hosts some very fantastic upgraded features such as the sports suspension pack that we'll touch on soon. The upgraded 17-inch Bergamo alloy wheels which complement that exterior finish well, offering a sporty and stylish look. Powerful mirrors which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, and a fairly spacious boot capacity big enough to fit a weekly shop inside, with additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel as well. ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, alongside USB-C inputs in the back there for fast charging, for keeping devices juiced up on the go. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the immersive dashboard display, but we'll touch on this soon. In panning around, you can see we have the R-Line embroidery on the seats there with the Panoramic sunroof, which is an upgraded option to the vehicle, which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view. The multifunction steering wheel is very easy to use and also incorporates DSG shift paddles for manual gear changing. On the dashboard display, it shows key information like your navigation and your driving data. Over on the left hand side, you have features like the cruise control system, which is the adaptive cruise control, so it keeps you at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway. Over to the infotainment screen, there's a wide array of different options to choose from, and going to our park distance control, we have the front and back parking sensors to fill ourselves with confidence and safety in every manoeuvre, ensuring that we minimise the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centres, where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. You can access this by pressing the button or popping the car into reverse. The driving mode selection offers the 4 different driving modes to offer a much more tailored experience. For example, Eco is a bit more fuel efficient, while Sport offers a more performance-based drive, and going into Individual, we can tweak a wide array of different settings to get to that perfect driving position. As you can see here, I can change the steering to Sport while maintaining everything else as normal. Going into App Connect, we get access to the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which essentially allows you to display your phone directly through the car to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music, and if you don't like the native navigation system this car has, you can use Google Maps. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 3 years warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. So to learn more about the vehicle or to get yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information, or you can inquire online today.